In today's video, I'll show you guys Forza Horizon 6 cheats, maximum credits, maximum super wheel spins, maximum XP. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe and select the yes option. Make sure the game is running in the background. You will get this attached message, then you're good to go. Go to features. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna only do it for credits. So for others, it's will work. Both wheel spins, skill points. So you can do the exact same steps I do in credits. Right now I have 1 million credits. So I'm gonna make it unlimited. Once you type the value you want, select this icon to apply this. And once this turn green, select the apply option. Credits success. Now to make this cheat work in game, you need to go to cars and change car. Whatever car, just simply get in. Once you've done this, go back and the cheats doesn't take effect. Go back to the mod menu and select apply option. Now it should take effect. And this way you can do it for wheel spins, skill points, whatever other option available. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.